Moonlight Chicken Biography. My diner at midnight every day is the end of a long day, but also the start of a new day. Jim Moonlight Chicken tells the story about Jim, an ordinary guy who sells Hainanese chicken rice for a living, who met when a drunk customer in his diner. The night that brings them both together created a feeling that is hard to understand. None of the two can stop thinking about each other despite when being a taken man. Everything in their life is not the same after that. Native title, Midnight Series, Moonlight Chicken. Also known as Phrajan Mankai. Director, AOF Noppharnach Chaiwimol. Screenwriter, Jojo Tichakorn Phukhaotong, Best Kittisak Kongka. Genres, food, romance. Tags, one night stand, miniseries, LGBTQ+, restaurant setting, gay male lead. Gay romance, uncle-nephew relationship, fast-paced romance, ex-boyfriend comes back, breakup. Country, Thailand. Type, drama. Episodes, 8. Airs, February 8, 2023 March 2, 2023. Airs on Wednesday and Thursday. Original Network, GMM25, GMM-TV and Disney Hotstar. Main role starring, Earth Pirapit with Miniseries Jim Jeruk Nuang Na Uam. Mix Satihap Wong Gratches Wen. Supporting role starring, Phukhaotong Phrajan at Paisanas Kapa. First Kanafin Putrakal as Alan. Gemini Naroy Tichakorn Rakas Heart. Fourth Natat Jirachtikal as Li Ming, Jim's nephew. Mark Pakin Kunanu with his Salang. Vubinayapa Jean Prasimas Pre Papim from Phrajan Putarakas Beam. Guest role starring, Lukwa Pijakajidapada. Ford Aranasa Subsikal. Sui Pornapithipthinakorn. Asurafin. Cheopaknam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit notification bell so you can be the first updated when I have a new upload.